Welcome to this cool JavaScript series. Today we would be writing our first JavaScript program. Earlier we have learned about computer basics, we have learned something about compilers and interpreters, and now it's the time to write our first JavaScript code. So let's get started. In this video, what we are trying to do is we want to print hello JavaScript on the screen. And in most of the tutorials you would have seen that they ask you to install specific softwares or packages, but I have taken a minimalist approach here, and I would be using an online IDE to write all the programs in this series so that you doesn't have to go on with the long process of installing specific softwares. So what you have to do is open your browser and go to this specific website called playcode.io. This website provides online IDE for JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So once you open the URL, you would be seeing three tabs. The first one is of HTML, second one is of CSS, and third one is of JavaScript. What we are going to do is we would be working most of the time in this series on this tab script.js file, but when we move to DOM manipulation, we would be writing some of our code in HTML and CSS also. So in script.js, you would be seeing some line of code written here. So remove that thing which we don't require it, and also close this result view and this info view. We don't require both of the views right now. So what you would be having this screen once you follow the process. So what I want to do is I want to write a simple JavaScript program that prints hello JavaScript on the screen. So this is my objective. I want to print hello JavaScript on the screen. So the line which I have written using slash slash, in programming language terms we call them as comments. We call them as comments, and comments are ignored by your translator program, by the translators. So whether it is interpreter or compiler, they ignore comments. So comments are for our purpose. For let's say you have written a program, and you are coming back after 2 years and you are saying why I have written this program. So you can read those comments, you can come to understand, okay, this is the purpose for which I have written the program. So comments are quite useful, and I would be using most of the time when I'm writing the code here. So my objective is I want to print hello JavaScript on the screen. So for that purpose, you have to write console.log parentheses and in single quotes hello JavaScript and semicolon. So this statement will print hello JavaScript on the screen. So as you can see here below, I am getting an output here which is hello JavaScript. You can also see here that I have ended the statement with semicolon. So in JavaScript, every statement ends with a semicolon. Ends with a semicolon. So it is similar to your full stop or dot in English language. So every sentence in English ends with full stop or dot. So likewise, every statement in JavaScript ends with a semicolon. You can also use double quotes to print something. So you can use console.log, and instead of single quotes, you can use double quotes like I am a double quotes string. So you can have such things here. So there is a liberty in JavaScript. You can use single quotes or double quotes. So that's up to you, whichever the way or whichever the technique you can use. But remember, you have to use console.log parentheses, and then after that, whatever you want to print on the screen should be in single quotes or double quotes. So you may be thinking, what is console, what is log, why we are using parentheses, why there is single quotes or double quotes. So all these things we'll be learning in future videos. So stay tuned. Have a nice day. Bye bye.